sort of stores over here. Sorry. Oh, you want to see Disney store? This is the Disney store. Now you'll find all the Disney stuff over here. You can see the Toy Story 4 is coming. I've already showed. Hello. Disney is my favorite. What do you say? Movies.
Thank you.
I love Disney cartoons. Disney is more famous for children, and you can see there is so many children. I'm a little skeptical like whether you like this video or not, because this video is going to be a long video. I will be not editing this video, so whatever is there I just gonna put like that. I don't have that much time to edit such a big video. So guys, there is nothing much to see actually. I mean, there's a lot of things, but I don't want to spend more time over here just showing you the Disney characters and all. You can see that on TV. So I want to explore more of Times Square. Sorry. Should I ask someone whether we have an Apple store? Okay, I'll just ask them. Sir, do we have an Apple store nearby anywhere?
I don't know.
You don't?
Yeah, I'm just posted new here.
So this guy does not know. He said like I just immigrated in US illegally. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, no, man.
Guys, I am hungry. Really hungry. I hope I can get cheap biryani. McDonald's! You can see McDonald's over there. Whenever you're hungry, you don't know what to eat, McDonald's is the place you go, my friend, McDonald's is... But guys, on ship we get enough burgers and pizzas, so I'm not very excited about burgers and pizzas. I want Apple Store and biryani. Excuse me, is there any Apple Store nearby?
I don't think so.
No. Oh, even I asked a lady is there any Apple Store? She said like, I don't think so. So if you see in Indian bikaris in United States, they call us homeless. So they are known as homeless. They stay on the street. So guys, please, are you liking this video? So please click like. See, I'm sorry, I'm not a vlogger or something like that. I'm trying my level best because so many people always tell me make video outside also. That is why I'm doing. If I'm not doing rightly, correctly, please correct me. I've seen on my Canadian video there is so many dislikes. I mean, it's really hurt when people dislike your video because you put so much effort after working 10 to 12 hours and you upload the video and you get a dislike. So it's like, what to say? There's a Hard Rock Cafe over there. And even my hands are paining now, catching this selfie stick. tacos and macos and chacos. I don't see any Indian restaurants. That is surprising because in United States and even in UK, there is a lot of demand of Indian food. I'll check. Indian burger, tequila. So this place is full of life. The reason I'm saying life, you can see. Look at that skill of this person. Amazing, man. Amazing guitarist. Citizen shop, Starbucks coffee. You find everything except Apple. You have an Apple shop nearby anywhere?
I don't know, I'm not local, but I'm sure there is somewhere.
I need to ask this person. I mean, they are local. Sir, do you have any Apple shop nearby?
Apple shop?
Yeah, Apple store?
Up here by Park Avenue.
It's very far?
Yeah.
How much time?
12 minutes.
12 minutes by
Yeah,
bus?
why do a lot of people keep asking of Apple store?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a tourist spot.
Huh?
A tourist spot.
2 weeks what?
Tourist spot. I mean, it's good to see an Apple store.
Oh, where
I
you
never-
from?
India.
Oh, you're from India?
Yeah.
You live here?
No. I work over here and on the ship. So it's very far.
Yeah. 12 minutes more. Straight down.
It's a huge.
So what?
It's a huge store.
There's a big store. Not
Okay.
very much.
So I asked this guy about the Apple store. He said like there is so many people ask about the Apple store. So guys, I don't know when I'll be back. Seriously. I know he said it's quite far, but I want to take my chances. I want to go and check out the Apple store because it is like so many years I've never seen an Apple store. So many times I've been on ship because the Apple store is always in middle of the city and our ship always dock like outside the city. So I never got a chance to see the Apple store, and today I will. I've seen once, but only in Dubai. So I hope I'll see the Apple store. And meanwhile, if I see an Indian restaurant, I want to have a quick bite of a biryani because my friend was saying the biryani is good over here. So let's see how the thing works out for me. I'm sure these guys are from India. The way they dress. Look at that. Always, with Indians is always. I don't know what's with jeans pant and shirts. Wherever you go, even on board, no matter whether it's the temperature is out there 40 degrees or 50 degrees, they will wear their jeans pant, the sport shoes, and a shirt on it. I should always also try because I am an Indian too. Alright, let's see how much I have to walk now. Guys, some beautiful view of New York, Manhattan while going to an Apple store. I don't know where to go. I need to ask someone. The people look so busy. Check. I'll ask this lady over here. She's making some cardboard stuff. excuse me, where I can find Apple Store.
Apple Store, Grand Center. Grand Center.
Thank you. So she said I need to go this way. I will go this way. In America, Apple Store. I'll ask the prices also, if possible, how much is an Apple new phone is. And I think in September the new phone of Apple will be coming. So this is a very commercial area, I can see. I mean, you can see a lot of garbage, you can say. A lot of papers and all on the street. And it's not even smelling good. It like smell like and garbage. I think this will be a back side of the building where all the garbage van comes and collect the garbage. Is that an Apple Store? No. No, that is a version. This is a, like we have Airtel and Vodafone. This is what provides. Okay, now I think I need to cross the street and go there. Apple Store ahead. This is Apple Store. Another new building coming up. The construction is going on. Okay, I'm almost. I mean, you see the buildings straight ahead. Inside that building, there is an Apple Store. So I have seen that ship. I mean, the aircraft carrier. I've seen Times Square. Now Apple Store. I want to see more. Like there was a tour for $59, or you can say $49. He was ready to give me whole city tour for 3 hours, but I don't have that much money. The Grand Central Terminal. Yes, I remember. The Apple Store is in a terminal. Construction workers. Lot of now this is the terminal. I need to go inside again. This is a terminal. I mean, this is not a plane, a railway station. You can see so many people coming and going. They're full of people. Now I need to find where's an Apple Store, and it is not difficult because there's an Apple Store. So it's a small one. Still, Apple is Apple, because I am using Apple from so many days, and you can see the security force also with lot of guns, because we know what happened some times ago, and US is always in the target of terrorists because it's such a nice and beautiful country. Okay, so you can check where you want to go, the destination and all. Here. Any which ways you are not going, I am not going, so it's no point showing all this. I'll just show the Apple Store, and I will have something. This is the ticket counter. So this is also a very famous place. This is also a tourist spot. So I'm happy also that I have seen this. I was hoping that it will be a store, but then I remember, oh yes, in New York, in Times Square, it is in the terminal. They have used it. I need to take a photo with it.